guys, it's XOXOIador, and here is another hair review video. This time it's gonna be featuring EBIN New York, an actual human hair review. I know in the past I've done synthetic hair reviews, so this time it's doing a little different. So I've used EBIN New York before, but not this length. This length right here is a 22. I think I've done like a 14 or 16. I don't really remember. It's much shorter than this one. So I'm excited to give a review on this one. This is a L-Part 360 lace wig. This is my first time doing a 360 lace wig. So features comes with it is it's able to perm, bleach, and dye it. Other characteristics are it's an invisible knot, it is a natural hairline, it has a one direction cuticle, it has a comfortable soft lace, and it has natural baby hairs all around. So therefore it's going to be baby hairs across the front of your hair and also in the back. So I'm going to unbox this baby and we will be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. I don't know if you guys can see how long it is, but it's like, it's pretty long. It's a good length and whatnot. As you could see, like this lace right now is, I have it scrunched up, so like I don't know how it looks right now because I mean just I don't really like how small the parting is right here, so I may have to go in and like plug it to make it look a little bit bigger, wider, or whatever. Like I said, even the thing about them is their lace is just super long. Like right now it's scrunched up like I said, and like if I were to like put it how it's supposed to be, it's like for what? Like what? It's like nah. So like what I'm gonna do is I am going to, okay, so as you guys can see, it's an ear to ear. Well, obviously it's ear to ear, it's 360. So the lace, it's like full lace. So yeah, this is that. So this is what we're working with. I'm gonna cut this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how this looks once I cut the lace or some of the lace or whatever, and I just overall like it. And I just want to put out like this video is just a first impression try on review video, not a styling video. The next video will be one if I just do the whole slayage or whatever, but right now, like I said, it's just I overall like it. I love it. The only cons about this the only cons about this unit is just the one part, because I'm used to being able to part it different ways and whatnot. So I'm not sure. Like I feel like I mean, unless it's one of those units that you can just slide to the middle. Let me see if I do it. Let's see how this looks. But I feel like it could possibly be a middle part. Like it has layers and the layers are the same length, so I think it could be. Another thing is it's lightweight. Like it may look heavy or hot, but it's not. It's like really light. The quality, oh my gosh, it's so soft. Like look at this. Like it looks like this is really nice. I really like it. Let me see if I can shift it back over to the side. So yeah, I think it's a freedom part. I guess that's what you call it. Where you could just slide it. I don't know how it's gonna look on this side, but middle is my right side anyway. I use part my hair on the right anyway. So yeah. So as I got a scrunchie, I can just show you guys how it looks. Put it up. And it's so soft and flowy that it's literally slipping out of my fingers. Like, so let me see, make sure I secure the back comb. See, like it just keeps slipping out of my hands. So this is not like gonna be a neat ponytail, but this is demonstration. Like, you could probably, obviously, you could probably put in a little knot bun or whatever. It's probably gonna slip because I don't have it secured, but it's just so like. So again, I definitely recommend this to whoever. So if you see this brand in your local beauty store, get it.